That's kind of a little difficult question to answer because some things are being processed almost at a subconscious level, in the sense that I may not myself even articulate clearly to myself what things are going through. But in general, if I'm looking at a stock, you know, I'm looking for a reason to say no, not a reason to say yes. And I'm looking for a reason to say no as soon as possible so that I can go back to other things of more interest. And so when people bring up a stock to me, or when I look at a 13F or something, or data room or something, I, I'll I'll ask myself, okay, first of all, is it within circle of competence? And if it's clearly out, then good, I'm done with it. So that's done. Then if it's within circle of competence, then I ask myself the second question: is it super cheap? And nowadays, with the way the U.S. markets are, I don't think markets are overvalued, but I don't think they're nothing like 2009. And so in fact, I found a I found a couple of things to do which are in the U.S. It's kind of very low liquidity and volume, so I'm just nibbling every day as much as we can get. But for the most part, we haven't found anything in the U.S. For a while, and even the idea I'm looking at now, which looks interesting, is outside the U.S. So, so the models are, those are the first two models: competence and valuation, and that pretty much blows out large portions of it. And then if it looks like something within circle of competence, and then it looks like it's cheap, then I'll spend maybe a half an hour or something. Excuse me. And again, it's the idea is to find something that is going to be a showstopper, which is telling me, I got why I would not want to be interested in buying this. And then if I don't find it in half hour, then I'll invest some more time, might take an hour or two, again digging a little deeper. And again, with the idea is always to find a reason to stop looking and moving on. So and if I'm continuing to look, then that means that there are a few aspects of the business that I'm finding very attractive. And at least till that point, I've not found anything which is telling me to stop looking. So I don't know if that helps on the model side.